What if I told you your email list is the gold mine you've been sitting on, but never truly mined? Picture this. Every day, you hustle for leads, send cold messages, chase after people who ghost you. Exhausting, right? Now, imagine a world where your email list grows while you sleep, your follow-ups happen automatically, and your income starts stacking up without you manually pushing every domino. That's not a dream. That's AI Matrix spillover. This isn't just another shiny tool, it's an AI-powered system that flips the script. It builds your list, nurtures leads, and even grows your downline for you. Instead of you working the system works for you. No more endless grind. Just $20 fast start commissions, monthly recurring income, and true leverage. The 2x2 matrix means spillover. Yes, others' efforts can help you win. It's like finding a cheat code for passive income. So, are you ready to stop working for your list and finally let your list work for you? Click below and choose your freedom today.